Hello friends, my name is Prajakta Sambhajikar. Today's topic is CDM and its GCP guideline. In which CDM, this term is a clinical trial term, in which CDM stands for Clinical Data Management or Clinical Data Management System. It is used in clinical research to manage the data of clinical trials. The clinical trials data gathered at the investigator side, in the case report from stored in the CDMs, that is clinical research to manage data or clinical data management system. And also, what is the GCP guideline? GCP guideline is the good clinical practice, in which is an international ethical and scientific quality standard for the design conduct, like performance monitoring, auditing, recording, analyzing and reporting of a clinical trial. These are all term is known as GCP guideline. And what is the role of ICS GCP guideline in CDM? There is the role of ICS GCP is the improve ethical awareness, trial concept and methods, public safety, cost effectiveness of research and development, competitiveness and data recognition and marketing structure, conducting clinical trials in accordance with ICS GCP guidance has reduced the occurrence of fraud and accidents. There is a 13 principle or 13 GCP guidelines are there. First is ethics, second one is a trial risk versus trial benefits, third one is a trial participant, information of the on the mechanical product, good quality trials, compliance with the study protocol or medical decisions, trial staff, informed consent, clinical data trial, confidentiality, good manufacturing practice, quality assurance. These are GCP guideline of a CDM. And GCP is known as Good Clinical Practice Directive. There is a Directive 2005 /28 EC of 8 April 2005 of the European Parliament and of the Council, lays down principles and details guideline for a good clinical practice as regards conducting clinical trials of medical products for human use, as well as the requirements for authorization of the manufacturing or importation of the such products. There is a directive deals with the following guidelines, like good clinical practice for the design, conduct, recording and reporting of clinical trials, good clinical practice GCP, the ethics committee, the sponsors, investigator brochures, manufacturing or important import authorization. There is a exemption for hospital and healthcare centers and reconstitution condition of holding a manufacturing license. There is the trial master files and archiving format of the trial master file, retention of essential and medical records, inspection procedures, final provisions. There is a different types of GVP guidelines are there or terms are there, in which there is a 14 principle of a GCP and a guideline of a GCP guidelines, that is provides guidance and assistance in the application and implementation of this principle by all parties involved in the clinical research process. There is a Three principles of equal importance associated with the basic ethics, particularly recognized for persons, beneficence, and justice, permeate all other GCP principles. Here, this is all about CDM with GCP guidelines. Thank you.